Good morning, Middle 2. Today we will take a revision on application and operation on cube root and the inequality of triangle. Number 1, your booklet, page 68. Page 68. We have complete the multiplicative inverse for root 3 plus root 2. Multiplicative inverse in middle 2 means we make 1 over root 3 plus root 2. Incomplete, use your calculator to find your answer. The result will be root 3 minus root 2. Okay, number 2. We have x over x minus 5 minus root 5. 5 minus root 5 equals 5 plus root 5. And he needs value of x. To find value of x, consider that over 1 and make cross multiplication. Cross multiplication, we have x equals between braces 5 minus root 5 times 5 plus root 5. We have two braces like each other. The difference between them only the sign. That means we have difference between two squares and we can find the result by using calculator or first power 2 minus second power 2. First power 2 means 5 power 2 minus root 5 power 2 5. It will be equal 20. So the final result here will be 20. After that, number 3, incomplete. We have 1 over x equals root 5 minus 2. And he needs the value of x equals what? Value of x, I have 1 over x equal root 5 minus root 2. To find the x, change the root 5 minus root 2, consider it over 1, and you will make multiplicative inverse. Change numerator and denominator, or find the reciprocal of root 5 minus root 2. Why? Because 1 over x here means x power negative 1. If I need to convert the power from negative to positive, you must change the result. Change the places of numerator and denominator. So that means we have x equal 1 over root 5 minus 2. You can find it by using your calculator, or you can multiply by conjugate number, but here complete, use your calculator to find the result. It will be equal root 5 plus root 2. Okay, after that number 4, he needs the multiplicative inverse of root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 is, we said that before, to find multiplicative inverse, you must make 1 over root 3 minus root 2, and here complete, use your calculator to find the result, will be equal root 3 plus root 2. Okay, after that, he needs the conjugate number of root 5 plus root 5 plus 2 over root 2. To find the conjugate, you must put the number in the simplest form. Yeba number 1, you must put this number in the simplest form. So we have root 5 plus, take 2 over root 2 in draft and make it times root 2 over root 2. The result will be root 2. So we have here the value of this number. The value of this number is root 5 plus root 2. So its conjugate will be root 5 minus root 2. يبقى الفاينل انسر root 5 minus root 2. يبقى number 1 we make what? We put the number in the simplest form in draft or by using your calculator. Number 2, change the sign of second term to find the conjugate. So the final result is root 5 minus root 2. After that, we will solve the last one in page 69. Page 69. Simplify. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 homework. But page 69. Simplify. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 homework. And we will solve number 5. Number 5 is cubic root 54 plus 3 cubic root 1 over 4 plus 5 cubic root 60. We will factorize 54. Factorization. Divide by prime number. Divide 2 equal 27. Divide 3 equal 9. Divide 3 equal 3. Divide 3 equal 1. So we have the simplest form of 54. Here again 54. Divide 2 equal 27. Divide 3 equal 9. Divide 3 equal 3. Divide 3 equal 1. So the simplest form of 54 is 3 cubic root 2. And here we have 8 multiply square root 1 over 4. 8. We can't make factorization to 1 over 4. That means open big cubic root and put a power 3 inside it times 1 over 4 plus 5 times factorize 16. Factorize 16. Divide 2 8. Divide 2 4. Divided 2, 2, divided 2, 1. We have 2 out of root and 2 inside the root. So we have here 2 cubic root 2. After that, 3 cubic root 2 plus cubic root 128 plus 10 cubic root 2. So now we need to factorize 128. We need to factorize it. Factorize 128. Divided 2 64. Divided 2 32. Divided 2 16. Divided 2 8. Divided 2 4. Divided 2 2. Divided 2 1. Take 2. Another 2. And still under root 2. So we have 4 cubic root 2. 3 cubic root 2 plus 4 cubic root 2 plus 10 cubic root 2. The result will be 17 cubic root 2. Okay. After that, page 45. Booklet, part 1, page 45, application on real numbers. We have the first problem, cuboid, its dimensions, root 2 and root 3 and root 6. And he need total area and volume. Number 1, find the volume. Volume length times width times height means root 2 times root 3 times root 6. It will be equal root 36 equals 6 centimeter cube. After that, To find total area, we have a rule. Total area equals 2 and open braces length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So write your information. Length root 2, width root 3, height root 6. Apply your rule. 2 equals between braces root 2 times root 3 plus root 2 times root 6 plus root 3 times root 6. Simplify it. Between braces root 2 times root 3 equal root 6. Root 2 times root 6 means root 12 and it means 2 root 3. Root 3 times root 6 means root 18 and will be equal 3 root 2. After that distribute 2, so we have 2 root 6 plus 4 root 3 plus 6 root 2. They are different or unlike terms, so you can let it as it is or you can convert it into decimal as last step. Okay, the second problem. Cuboid has a square base, its side length 5 and its height 6. Its height 6. He need find total area, lateral area and volume. Number 1, he need lateral area. Lateral area equal perimeter of base times height. But base here is square, so we can write the rule of square, side times 4 times height. And he said that side equal 5 centimeter and the height equal 6 centimeter. So we have 20 times 6 equal 120 centimeter square. After that, he need total area, and we said that total area we can write 2 length times width plus length times height plus width times height. But take care here, the base is square, means in the length will width are equal, each one equal 5 and the height equal 6. So we can say length times width 5 times 5 plus width times height 5 times 6 plus length times height هي كمان 5 times 6. So we have 2 times 25 plus 30 plus 30 60 25 85. It will be equal 170 centimeter square. After that the volume here not length times width times height, side times height, because the base is square. So we have 5 times 5 times 6, 25 times 6, it will be equal 150 centimeter cube. Okay. After that, page 71. Question number 5. He said that area of circle 154 centimeter square, find its circumference and its diameter. If I have area, we can find the radius because we have a rule, radius equal area over pi. So 154 over 22 over 7. You can use pi equal 22 over 7. If he gave you pi equal 3.14, use it 3.14. Okay, radius here will be equal 7 centimeter. Can you find circumference now? Yes, circumference equal 2 pi r. So we can say that 2 times 22 over 7 times 7 equals 44 centimeter. After that, he need also the diameter, and we know that diameter equal twice radius. So 2 times 7 equals 14 centimeter. Okay. After that, booklet part 2, page 4. Part 2, page 4, geometry. Okay, we have the second problem is triangle ABC and y belong to AC, x belong to AB, and he said that measure angle AXY equal measure angle AYX, and said also AC more than AB. So our given is we have two unequal sides and we have two angles inside triangle AXY or equals. Type number 1, since measure angle AXY equals measure angle AYX, that means this triangle is isosceles triangle. We have AX equal AY or AY equal AX. AY equals AX. And this is relation number 1. But we have side AC more than side AB. Look at the drawing. I have this side AC bigger than side AB, bigger than side AB, side AB small. And we said that if we subtract constant value from two unequal sides, I cut AY from AC, the remainder will be YC. And I cut AX from AB, the remainder will be XB. And we said that if we have an equal value and subtract or add constant value from it, the sign still as it is. The sign between remainder still as it is. That means AC more than AB. I cut the part AY and cut the part AX and they are equal. So the remainder of AC more than the remainder of AB. How we can write this? We said that AY equal AX, relation number 1, AC more than AB, relation number 2. I'll say subtract 1 from 2. When we subtract 1 from 2, we have what? AY, AC minus AY. AC minus AY. And we said that the sign is still as it is. AB minus AX. When you cut AY from AC, the remainder will be YC. And when we cut AX from AB, the remainder will be XB, and the sign is still as it is, bigger, because we got constant value, Okay, middle 2. اتفقنا your homework algebra pages 69, simplify 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Goodbye.